major event here a few years ago. I'll give you that tip.
Well, there we go.
You got to the end of this race. Let us know in the live chat who is the fastest ever driver around PFI. Standing start.
And here we go then. Lights will go out. And away they go. Good start from the front row, and it's a great start from Cole Denham. Already second place of Ryan White, having to defend. Now, Ryan White, this is only his second KARTMASTERS, privateer driver from Scotland, and he is doing a fabulous job so far with that great qualifying. Let's see if he can maintain this in the heat races. Around the outside there goes Jarrett Clark. I think it was Jarrett Clark. No, actually, I think it was Kenzo Craig in the number 9. KART goes around the outside now up into P2. Good stuff from the rest of the grid, and there's KART's off in the background.
KART's off in the background. And up the bank in goes 3 or 4 drivers, but they're all... and there's more KART spinning down at tournament. There's about half the Zip Racing team down there, and this is not a great start in Honda Cadet. Couple of answers coming in while you were that. So people guessing the KZ class. No, KZ does not race here at PFI. Corey Hayes, yes. OK Senior, wrong year. Alex Grady, yes. Liam Campbell, correct. Senior, it was the World Championships in 2017 for Alex Grady. Liam Campbell, you're wrong. Mark Kimber, isn't it? Danny Curl, wrong. He was the 27 World Champion that year at PFI, but he is not the fastest ever driver around PFI. Keep guessing. Meanwhile, back at the track.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, clear breakaway then for the top group as Cole Denham leads the way from Kenzo Craigie. 4-car breakaway at the moment. Jarrett Clark there as well as Ryan White. So White managing to hold on to this top group, which is good to see. And Clark doing a fabulous job. Who is in the next group just behind? It's led by Albert Friend for the SFR Motorsport outfit from Endicott, Ballock, McAndrew Urin as well as Oliver Meek there. Charlie Wolford rounding out the top 10 for the time being. Eyes on this top 4 breakaway, but like we say, this is the first heat of the weekend, and Honda Cadet, they always work together. They'll always form a train all the way throughout. There's a bit more jostling in the background as through hairpin number 2. Drivers making changes left, right and centre. But 6 minutes to go then on this one. And let us know, ladies and gentlemen, where are you watching from for KARTMASTERS? We'd love to know. If you're in the UK, firstly, why you're not actually here, because it is open to spectators. There is plenty of viewing areas and there is lots of activities in the paddock for spectators and drivers as such to take part in. So if you are local, do come on down to PFI. We would love to have you here at the side of the circuit watching live, because I have to say, it's a great atmosphere at the circuit. But if I was going to save it for a day, I'd say Sunday.
Oh, save it for Sunday if you're coming down for a day. Good. Thank you again for coming in. So Corey Hayes, Tom Joyner, nope. He was a 2013 World Champion. And Joe Turney, nope, not right. Sorry, Liam Campbell. Danny Curl, no, we missed him. Let's have a look. Well, we'll have to see. So, watching from Australia, well done. Roman Stanek, nope. We're getting close there. We'll keep an eye for the rest of the race. We'll keep our eyes on the track. Watching from Spain, Ina Farrell, hello, welcome. There's the number 44 KART getting involved. And Motorsport Magpie, thank you for your picks. We've got that in. It was in the 2017 Senior OK Final. Daniel Tasker watching from Boston. Oh, a Red Sox fan, I'm guessing. Detroit Tigers myself, but beat the Fenway Park many a time. Hope that. Lorenzo Travasinuto in 2017. No. We got 4.5 minutes. Keep your guesses coming in. Royal Oak, Michigan, the official Macaulay Bishop fan club is on air, international division. There's number 29 card of Albie Laffer going through. We've got Kenzo Craigie leading Jarrett Clark, Cole Denham, Ryan White, Albert Friend, Max Endicott, Luca Holmes, Ballock on the circuit. Max Papworth Racing, take a bow, son. It was Callum Bradshaw in the 2017 CIK World Championships who set a 54.9 second lap, fastest ever.
There we go. The more you know, ladies and gents.
Congratulations, Max Papworth Racing. Well done.
You win nothing.
No. It's just you were the pride of the live chat for the time being.
There you go.
So now back to racing. So that was great. Thank you very much. I'll set you more trivia questions about KARTMASTERS and PFI as the weekend progresses. Let's focus on the Honda Cadet racing now. Noah Barham, Mason Brooks, Kieran Stewart, Charlie King were among those, and Rocco Shenton were among those who went off earlier on. They're all still fighting back. 30 drivers started this race. 30 drivers still in it. Craigie, Denham, Jarrett Clark, White, Friend, Endicott. Looking on your screens, under the bridge they go. Finally, after a bit of a chaotic opening lap, Anthony, finally we've got a bit of stability here. As I say that, Ethan Griffiths going side by side with Leotoro Sakai and Charlie Wolfett.
Yeah, obviously, I'm not sure if this is Leotoro's first time racing in the UK. I mean,
I believe it is.
I believe it is, yeah, coming from Japan.
Nice, playing easy spot. Number 67, that's Oliver Meek. There's a privateer entry. And again, easy to spot, black and red. And that's behind the Emerson McAndrew Uran kart, number 33. That's a new graphics kit for this weekend. Emerson McAndrew Uran. Privateer entry on a zip kart. Out of the final grid. There's number 99 of Ethan Griffiths. You're looking at the battle for 8th, 9th and 10th. There's the battle for the race lead. Cole Denham passes Kenzo Craigie for the race lead.
Yeah, these three doing a great job breaking away now. And, oh, look at that. Kenzo Craigie really trying to get past. I mean, we are at the latter stage of this race, so it's rightly to do so. But now he's lost momentum here. But he's going to try again into hairpin one. Cole Denham doesn't defend it. Again, good driving there. Again, got to look after the car.
Again,
long weekend.
This is smart. You've got the two synergy cars. Okay, Denham back up the inside.
Well, I say he's looking after the car.
But this time Craigie doesn't defend. And now, oh, wheel to wheel there between Craigie and Jarrett Clark. Now, Jarrett Clark signaling to Kenzo, no, let's work together and push and chase Cole. Now, we saw on the paddock show last night, you'll see half the paddock show during the lunch break, but then this weekend we're doing YouTube exclusive. So the paddock show that you'll see during the lunch break today is half an hour long, but the actual paddock show is a full hour, which you can watch exclusively on YouTube, the Alpha Live YouTube channel. Here we go then, 1 minute, 13 seconds to go. It is Denham leading Jarrett Clark and Kenzo Craigie. Great camera shot there. Look at that. That's over 50 miles an hour, pushing each other along, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, through one of the fastest sections of the track, and Kenzo Craigie now takes the lead with the two Synergy drivers getting a bit tangled up. Denham and Clark drop back to second and third now. So Kenzo Craigie leading the way, and now it's a top five because Albert Friend and Max Endicott have joined the fray.
Yep, the SFR Motorsport kart of number 91, Albert Friends. We've got 3 Synergy Racing Developments karts, 1 Zip kart and 1 SFR Motorsport kart. There goes Albert Friend, wasting no time in setting him out. Cole Denham and showing him the grass. Saying, look at this. The PFI, the track staff here at PFI and Trent Valley Car Club have mown the grass, so you don't have to with your Honda engine.
Yep.
But have a look at it nonetheless.
Yep. That allowed Max Endicott to come through as well up into P3, and it's also allowed the two drivers up ahead to break away. So Kenzo Craigie leading this one from Jarrett Clark. 5 seconds to go on the timer. They'll cross the start-finish line with 1 second left. It's not going to be a last lap. That's a timer's worst nightmare, that is.
Yep,
oh, is it going to be? Is it not? So now, they get a couple more laps.
Descent in the ranks. Miles Murphy has been on. Tom Joyner in KF2. He had the fastest ever lap there, post-extension. No, it was 55.38 seconds. Bradshaw was 54.892. Sorry, Miles. Sorry, but the CIKFIA website don't lie. Anyway, moving swiftly on. Anyway, that was a good bit of trivia. You know me, I speak only facts. Here we go.
Well,
into hairpin number 2, and it's a head-to-head now between Kenzo Craigie and Jarrett Clark. There's a little bit further back. Craigie, the number 9, the Zip kart. Clark, the number 55, the Synergy Racing entry.
Yep. Craigie with about a kart's length lead for the time being as they went into the Fullerton S's. It has closed up a little bit now as they go into the Mike Wilson complex for the penultimate time. Last lap board out this time around. Clark with the warning flag though. So the 76.
Well, there was a little bit of contact a lap ago coming out of the second hairpin. It might be for that.
Yes, I don't think it's the same Clark though.
Oh, that was maybe Kieran Clark?
I think it was Kieran Clark, yeah.
Kai Clark.
Oh,
sorry.
Kai Clark,
Kai Clark has moved up to 19th place from the back of the grid. Here we go. On to the bridge the final time. Jarrett Clark has Kenzo Craigie right where he wants him. But Kenzo Craigie really good off turn number 4. Really good off turn number 4. Jarrett not able to make a move at the braking for hairpin number 1. We now go through the switchback and the short straight towards hairpin number 2. Does Clark jink to the inside? No, he doesn't.
No, and I think that's crucial. I think you know, he's saying, no, you know what, I don't need to. We don't need to scrap on this last sort of section, but they're scrapping here because
the third place is kicking right off.
Yeah, Albert Friend is having to hold off quite a bit of Honda Cadet madness in the background. These two here, again, no lunges, no tries for an overtake. These two of Craigie and Clark will just go to the line as they are. Craigie looks over the shoulder just to see, yep, you've got some company there, Kenzo, but don't worry about it. No drama whatsoever. Out of the final corner, across the line, and it will be Kenzo Craigie taking the race win from Jarrett Clark. Albert Friend will take third place from Cole Denham. Ryan White will finish in P5 at the end of that from Max Endicott.